Orlando Pirates have just handed the league over to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yazi sayithatha league sathi Mamelodi Sundowns, no, it belongs to you. Ibambeni, hambile mabhakabhaka. There's no way Mamelodi Sundowns are going to lose to Marumo Gallants. There's no way Mamelodi Sundowns are going to draw no Marumo Gallants. You know, there's something in my understanding of Coach Abdeslam Moad. Like, I'm shy reading of the game, Umchita. I'm shy out choose the starting lineup, Sake, Umchita Loyana. What business did he have starting Unkosikon and Daba ahead of Udion Hoto? Like, why are Kalundaba ahead of Udion Hoto? Afetu, don't get me wrong. Undaba is a good player, but he's not the kind of player that should be starting at this time of the season. Konamanjo Orlando Pirates is under immense pressure because Sonk is Funi League. We are tired of seeing Mamelodi Sundowns dominate. We are tired of seeing Mamelodi Sundowns loki win league. Our old coach up there, Undaba is not confident, number one. Undaba is finding his feet in the team. So, let's say season is too much pressure for him to start or for him to play at all. I'd understand if Besitu Dionho too injured, but Marasamba so Undaba. There we go. Undaba then we has Costa, silly mistake, Lape move, Sulele FC takes advantage, Bashai goal by a lead. Going into his second half, Urelebuhile Mfukeng Bafet has been honest, Namsanza Katalanga. He's one of the best players we have at the club, but Mfukeng na Magangali Gatemela substitute when Jangamanyama player. We can't keep him on if Seabona Gutina Pela Namsanza Katalizona Namsanjua Leka. Urelebuhile Mfukeng stayed in 90 minutes zonke. Sibesimbona Gutimara Bafet Uflet. Interbeck Melo coach up Tesla Moado Ayenza 65 minutes Fagutito. Faga utito, play utito. We've seen impact Tito Magangena as a substitute. We've seen what is done for the team Magangena as a substitute. Unkosinati CBC, honestly, and now I understand why at the start of the season Umbegeze Limbogazi was starting ahead of him. If serious ngogwini league, if we are serious ngoguti sizoithathe Mamelodi Sundowns siba push until the very last game of the season, we can't afford a mistake wakaSBC. We can't afford a mistake wabondaba. We can't afford to not score. Masthola matleka chances bafethu mele ibholele ngaphakathi mele kukoriwe bafethu. I'm really disappointed in this result. I'm really disappointed in how coach Abdeslam Moad decided to approach this game. Usbelebele played well. Ozonapolis played well. They didn't even need to substitute to Ozonapolis. They kept Urelebuhile Mfukeng, who was not in the game. Bamgcinile 90 minutes onke bakhipha Ozonapolis. Ozonapolis bekatabalaza. Ozonapolis was creating chances. Ozonapolis was doing everything right. Babona ukuthi bamkhiphe. The biggest problem is that masikhuluma sometimes abantu babona ngathi we are hating on the players. We are trying to tell the coach what to do. I repeat, I think as supporters, especially laba babhekelela game kahle. We see the game better than Coach Abdeslam Moad. We seem to understand the team better than Coach Abdeslam Moad. I'm not taking away from how good a coach who Abdeslam Moad is. Mara namhlanje bafethu uskostile. Let draw ya namhlanje for Orlando Pirates is a lose, and it's a win for Iswelele. It's a lose for Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing against Marumo Gallants on Tuesday. Bayo all out. Bayo shy Marumo Gallants. Mamelodi Sundowns is motivated. But got the win at 3-0 is all. Munapule Saleng is settling in Gatle in the team. Abo Leon Bayako, Rabotebuko Mukwena on fire. Abo Marcelo Allende on fire. Jaden Adams is having the time of his life right now. Lapagu Mamelodi Sundowns. We are competing against a team of stature. We are competing against real champions. The only way to dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns is to have a consistent starting 11, and it's to play players that are on form. Orlando Pirates has depth for days. Maraguna Manyama players, Sababona Gutibasa adjuster, they are still trying to find their feet. Sababona Guti, no. Not at this time of the season. But the coach of Tesla Mawadu Katakuta in Dando Yake. I'm really disappointed. I'm disappointed in Undaba. I'm disappointed in Usbisi. I'm disappointed in Mfukeng. Namhlanje Mfukeng ayikinto ayenzile namhlanje bafethu asibeni honest. Namhlanje nje Mfukeng bekumele ukuthi bamkhiphe 65th minute aphume kungena uTito who was going to energize i-attack yethu and change the complexion of the game. I still don't understand why Uyanela Mbuthuma is starting ahead of Evidence Makhuba. Uyanela Mbuthuma, we just need to accept it this point to Guti. Naye, he's still finding his feet. Angeka kora magol for Orlando Pirates. Bafet bayamupha amachansi, bayamcrossela, bayenza yonke into, and uRicardo Goss uzoshayina ngePirates. All of a sudden uRicardo Goss is a goalkeeper because amachita wePirates bamisa ama clear cut opportunities. Tsepang Muremi, kuna le opportunity ayitholile futhi second half. dead ball, Ricardo Goss wins the mistake, Tsepang Morimi decides to go for the shot, but Evidence Makhupa is the closest option. Why angaphasango Makhupa bekayisha phakathi lanto leya. Orlando Pirates are still on top of the log khona manje, but Mamelodi Sundowns on Tuesday sekumele manje kuminywe, sekumele manje sisupporte iMarumo Gallants sithandaze ukuthi they will do the impossible badly Mamelodi Sundowns. We're talking about the same Marumo Gallants Orlando Pirates ebadle 3-0. Marumo Gallants angeke izibambe Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu. I don't know. The chase continues, but if Orlando Pirates is to win the league, bafethu siyilambele. Yo siyayifuna le league le. I don't think we've ever been this hungry for the league as a supporter Orlando Pirates. Siyazicelela, can management isimamele? Can coach Abdeslam Owadu asimamele? Stop rotating. This is not the time of the season to rotate. Akayeke ukrotate lo muntu lo. Like yo bafethu angazi singayenza kanjani. Can he stop rotating? Yazi unayo depth, unayo quality, just use the right players to win you the league. Dion Hoto has to start every game. For Orlando Pirates, we can't afford to have Hoto on the bench. He's a hard worker. He hardly makes the mistake lawa yenziwa uNdaba. Melaqale every game. Tito Masuangani must come off the bench every game. Mara, you can't ungeke uzomfaka ngabo 82 and then expect him to do something. That's not enough time for him. That's not enough time. So late game learner for me, I take it as a loss for Tina as a mapagapaga, but I put it on Undaba, I put it on Usbisi, and I put it on Coach Abdeslam Owadu. We need an immediate replacement for Nkosinathi Sibisi lapaya nabafethu. Akakahlale kancane benchini. It's been a long season. Udlalile. Yazin, I don't know. We just need to make a plan. I don't know, maybe give Chabatsane a chance, maybe give Thabiso Sesane a chance, but Nkosinathi Sibisi is starting to cost us lape move. I know the mistake was not his, but he also struggled to come back and cover for Undaba. So clearly there's no communication. Bafethu, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel lena. Let's talk about South African football. Let's not bash the players. Let's show the players ukuthi we want the best for the team. But if at this point awudlali kahle, mele bakbenche. Thank you. Cerealist breakfast is ready for you to eat. Don't forget to subscribe.